Hi friends, Christy here over at Crafty Christy's Creations, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your own DIY Thanksgiving napkin rings. And you can see they fit on the napkins very nicely, and then they just come right off. So this is a combination of paper and then the word I've written out in vinyl. Alright, so let's go ahead and put these together. I've got all my materials sitting here. And then, so here's my brown piece. We've got the slits cut out. I've got the slit up here, and then I've got another slit down here. And then those will just fold, and they go together, and you just want to push them as far as they'll go. And then you want to just kind of fold those down so that it lays flat, and that is going to be your ring. So we can go ahead and you can either just go ahead and put this on your napkin and then finish assembling it, or we can assemble first and then put it on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this back apart. And then I've got my little banner piece and then my word. This I cut out of vinyl. So let's go ahead and take our word and we'll put it on our little banner. So I'm just using this, it's kind of like a Scotch tape type of transfer tape. And I want to use something pretty low tack because we're applying it to paper. I don't want it to ruin my paper or pull it up or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and just transfer this. I'll peel it off. I like to peel the backing off of the transfer so that everything sticks to the transfer. And then to get this all lined up, and this one's got the little holes on here to make it like a faux stitch. So I just want to kind of eyeball where those are, and I want to try to center that with my design here. And I think that looks pretty good there. I'm going to go ahead and just press that down. And then I'll just carefully peel off this transfer tape. And then there is my tag, and that looks pretty nice. And then I'm going to pop this up with some foam dots. I've just got a couple. I'm just going to use two. So one up here. You want, you know, when you look at how these fit on here, it will be centered, and you know, some of this top piece and the bottom will hang off. So you just want to be mindful of where you're placing your little foam pieces, so that way they're actually gonna stick. And then they're not actually just like hanging off of your page. All right. And then I'm just gonna try to center this to the center of my rectangle here. And then center left and right, and then also up and down. When you think you've got good placement, go ahead and just press that down. And now that is all put together. And I'll show you how real quick to make your napkins look like this. So this is just a regular cloth napkin. You're gonna go ahead and fold it in half and just press it out. I'm gonna tuck in my tag. And then we're gonna fold it in half the other direction to make it a nice square. And then you've got your side here that has all the openings. We're gonna roll this side halfway to this, and then we'll roll this one in halfway. So you just wanna take your corners and roll, and you wanna make sure you don't have any creases. So you need to roll tight, but not too tight that you end up with creases. And just kind of work those out. And then I'm going to take this side and start rolling over here. And try to get that pretty centered. So now this rolled part here will be the back of my napkin. So then when you fold it this direction, this will be the front. And those are not rolled evenly. So then I find it easiest to just take this, place it where I want on the front, flip it over to the back, And then you can just take these little spots and clip them together. And then you have a beautiful napkins ready for your Thanksgiving table. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future Crafty Christy's Creations how-to videos. Until next time, with love, Crafty Christy.